Hello traders, good morning. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, it's the middle of July, so it's really important that we get some rain in the Corn Belt. Sunday night weather is going to be the driving force for the markets here coming into next week. Remember last week I wrote these $1 million rains develop, and we're in the same scenario here where almost the whole state of Iowa really needs a good soaking. Northwest Iowa is sort of like the Dakotas and Montana, very dry. So already we're getting some of these private forecasters lowering the yield on corn, and we just need to get some rain here. So that's going to be the driving force for price direction here going forward in the short term. Our first chart of corn, you can see we're in very good support. We're trending higher. These are not demand-driven markets, but I think corn and soybeans should be bought at lower prices. So we'll see about that. Demand for corn, very good. Exports, good. You know, they're building 3 new hog plants in Iowa. This is corn intensive, so the demand is good. We don't know the national yield of corn. Is it 168 or is it 162? That's really important. Okay, the soybean market. Our next chart, daily chart of soybean, continuation chart. Notice that gap down below there. I find that very interesting. What if we don't go back down and fill that gap, and later this fall we'll talk about it? I think 2 things I want to say about soybeans. I think this year the harvest lows are going to be put in early, so watch about that. And it's protein. The demand is so very strong. So I think pullback should be bought here on the soybean. Remember a couple weeks ago I said Canada, our neighbor to the north, their seedings of canola for the first time ever exceeded wheat planting. So canola's in the same category as soybean. It's protein. It's what the world wants. So we'll see how this weather forecasts shape up. And if this ridge that's in the Corn Belt continues here in August, well, soybeans are going to go to $11, and then they're going to go to $12, and we'll see about that. It's all tied to the weather. So we need good rain here going forward. Okay, and lastly, the wheat market. The 5-year bear market in wheat is over. We're trading higher. You can see we've had a nice pullback now. I don't know if it's over in wheat. Notice the chart here, but it's in good support. Egypt is still the biggest wheat buyer in the world today. They're buying their wheat from Romania and Ukraine and Black Sea origin, things like that. So it's a conundrum in wheat. As we do rally, perhaps we're going to price ourselves out of some world business, but I got to tell you, export sales on wheat yesterday were a marketing year high. So I think these end users are certainly paying attention to these higher prices in the grains that we're talking about. Everybody have an excellent weekend.